everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Atal Jambhulkar, and today we are going to understand what is EWM and their deployment options and EWM layout in very simple way and more understand and efficient way. Okay, so if you're from the supply chain team or any warehouse operations team or any store persons or material management person or any stream or any field person, any field. Okay, so if you're from the any field like manufacturing sectors, working on any other department. So if you are even planning to switch your career into SAP EWM, this session is perfect for you. Okay, so moving to the next slide. So in today's session, we will cover three important things. First is what is SAP EWM, second is deployment options, and third is warehouse layout and their business process. So by the end of this video, you will have the complete basic understanding of SAP EWM. So moving to the next slide, let's start with the most important questions. What is SAP EWM, right? So in simple term, SAP EWM is a system that helps the company manage their warehouse operations. So now think like this: if you have the warehouse and what happen inside, let's take it short. Goods come in and they are stored, pick, pack, and ship. Right? SAP EWM manage all this activity in a smart and organized way. We takes the real life example. Let's say you order something from the Amazon. Behind the scene, items come to the warehouse. It is stored in the rack. When you order, it is pick, pack, and ship. All this is managed by the system like SAP EWM. In simple line, we can remember that SAP EWM is like a smart brain of the warehouse. Understand? So moving to the next slide. Now let's understand deployment options. This is very important for the interview also. Deployment means where the system is installed. So let's first see embedded EWM. Embedded means everything in one system, right? And the second is decentralized EWM. Here the EWM is separate system. You can see in this image. So this is the separate server and this is the separate server. SAP ERP is a separate server and SM EWM is a separate system. So ERP is the one system and warehouse is the another system. Both are connected. So big companies like e-commerce warehouse where the operations are very heavy. In simple line, we can say that embedded is for we can use for the simple and decentralized we can use for more complex and more powerful. Okay. So you can here we can take the quick comparison. So embedded EWM is for the base for the small to medium warehouses, simple setup and the lower cost, right? So tight integrations and the real-time process. So you can see in the decentralized EWM, it is based for the large and the complex warehouse operation as discussed. So it is also useful for the high level of automations, robots, conveyor, etc. The high performance and the large data volume, right? So this is all about the deployment options and moving to the next slide. So okay guys, now let's understand this warehouse layout in very simple way. I will explain this like a real story, how material enters, move inside and goes outside. So you can able to see this is our warehouse layout for our new project. What we are going to discuss, this layout we will be use. Okay. So each and every terms we will discuss in the details in the upcoming classes. Now we will discuss very short simple process how material will be inwards and goes outward, right? So this is the inbound dock 1 and 2, right? So here where the trucks come from the supplier, this is the entry point of the warehouse. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose 100 laptops arise from the vendor. They will come here after unloading in inbound staging area. Material is not directly stored in the high rack storage area or the mezzanine floor or the high rack storage area. It is for first keeping in the staging area, right? This is the temporary holding area we can set. We can set in simple term. Example: laptops are kept here before checking and processing, right? Now we can check the quality, whether the material is correct or the damage. Quality check step, and out of 100 laptops, maybe 5 are damaged. Rejected or the damaged item are moved to a red zone area, or it's being a block stock area. Damaged laptop go here and it's not usable. Okay, or we can send back to the supplier. Now in the deconsolidation area, here the big pellets are broken into a smaller unit. Okay, it's meaning breaking the bulk into the pieces. One big pellet split into individual boxes. This is the next is value-added services work center. What are the extra work like labeling, packings, or combines the items happen here. The laptop plus charger, mouse pack, we can pack together. Then after that, there is a ID points labeling. Here we assign the barcode or any identifications of each item. Like it's generally for the tracking purpose or the tracking system. Each laptop gets the barcode and system can track it very easily. Then after the final storage area, we can say that the high rack, the material will be direct put away to the high rack storage area or the mezzanine floor, or the second you can see able to see the high rack storage area. Now system decide where to store the material. Okay, it's on mezzanine ground first or the second floor, or high rack storage area. Is all this depends upon the strategies. Don't worry, we will discuss in details in the next upcoming classes. Now only you understand how the material will be uh, inward and how the material goes outward, right? Now we will see the picking process. When the customer orders come, system creates the picking task. So already the material in the high rack storage or the mezzanine or the high rack storage second. Okay. So once the customer order comes, system creates the picking task from here or here or here. It's depend upon the strategy. It's not an issue. Okay. So after that, it's moved to the from picking. It's moved to the packing area. After picking, the item can pack properly. The laptops pack with the invoice and the productions. Right. So after that, we can go. The product will be moved to the VAS work center. Sometimes the extra work like gift trackings or the bundlings happen. Yes, it's value added service is the name itself. We can add the value to that product. Then after that, the pack item are kept here for the shipping. It is moved toward the outbound staging area. It is now the product will be ready to ship. All today's what are the order kept all the orders we kept in the outbound staging area. From here the goods are loaded into the truck and sent to the customer, and the trucks come, load, and delivery will get start. Okay, this is all about the warehouse layout. We have see very explain in simple terms, and all these terms like inbound staging area, what is doors, deconsolidation area, VAS work center, ID points, peak points, labeling, what is mezzanine floor, high rack storage area, red zone area, quality inspection, scrapping area, return work center, packaging, or the outbound staging area. We will see details in next upcoming classes. Okay. So the SAP EWM manages the complete warehouse process from receiving to shipping in the smart and organized way. So this is the basic understanding of SAP EWM. Before planning to build your career in SAP EWM is one of the most in demands model. In upcoming videos, I will explain the real-time scenarios and system screen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.